Kia ora, I'm Karis, one of the nurses here at Queen Street Medical in Upper Hutt, and we are continuing our video series on tips and tricks to help keep you healthy. Today we're going to be looking at how and why to use a spacer with your inhaler. Why is it important to use a spacer with your inhaler? When you don't use a spacer with an inhaler like this, often most of the medication goes on your tongue, the back of your throat and into your stomach. If you use a spacer chamber like this with this sort of an inhaler, most of the medication then ends up in your lungs and not in your stomach, on the back of your throat and on your tongue. So the medication gets to where it needs to be. So how do you use your spacer chamber? Take your inhaler and shake it. Then stick it into the end of your spacer chamber. 1 puff, 6 breaths, in and out through the chamber. Repeat that as many times as the doctor has told you to take your inhaler. How should you care for your spacer? Take the end off and then just wash it in warm soapy water and leave it to drip dry. If you use your spacer every day, wash it once a day. If you only use the spacer infrequently, wash it every time you use it. If you have any questions on how to use your spacer, feel free to make an appointment with one of the nurses here at Queen Street Medical.